my name is Holdon Perez. I'm a collegiate shooter for the Texas A&M Corps Cadets Marksmanship Unit. My shooting career began about 15 years ago. From there, I made shooting my main sport in high school. I was going through like 15,000 rounds of ammo a year of center fire to get ready for scholastic matches as well as other shooting matches. Then up at A&M, I continued the scholastic action shooting program. We as a team won it 3 years of the 4 that I was on the team. And of course, I maintained doing other stuff outside, including USPSA, Steel Challenge, and various other shooting sports. So this summer I had the opportunity to intern with Laser Shot. It was a great experience. I was able to work with the software developers on the scholastic action shooting title. I helped them make a few edits to make it even more accurate to the match I shoot in competition. The scholastic action shooting title is perfect for any teams all the way from the middle school level through collegiate that just want that indoor training because they can't get to a range or because they can't afford the ammo. It's such a game changer to be able to get that training. I was able to actually take the portable system, the sim range that I have, take it to the national match, train in my hotel room the night before and morning of the match, shooting the exact stages, and I'm able to, in a dry fire session, get 1,000 or 2,000 reps in where I'm getting actual feedback, unlike normal dry fire. So using their various software titles, I'm able to train a lot of the same mechanics, like your reaction off the buzzer, your transitions, trigger pull, sight picture, all those things can be trained. I'm getting to see the actual stages I would see in a match, and all that helps me to be a better shooter come match day. For more information, check out lasershot.com. I'm Holden, and I train with Lasershot.